Thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast. Today we're featuring a 2018 BMW M550i xDrive. This is a single owner, clean title, clean Carfax, non-smoker's car. We can put an extended warranty on it. It's currently covered under the BMW factory warranty until May of 2021 or 50,000 miles. It's got 45,000 miles on it now, and we can extend that warranty out until 100,000 miles. We can finance it through Cuddle, and we welcome trades. So this is the first venture into a car as new as a 2018. It is a beast of a car. We bought it from BMW. I'll be honest with you, I'm not familiar with the technology. It's all new. It is an all-wheel drive. It's a beast. It's got new Michelins on it. It's got a ton of gear on it. It had an MSRP, I think, of $92,000, which includes $20,000 of optional equipment. Soft closed doors, comfort access on all four doors, upgraded seats. I mean, it's loaded with gear and it drives like a beast. So a quick way to ruin my driving record. It's going to have more miles on it than is posted just because I'm going to drive it. So you see the all-wheel drive on the left and then the M550. So it's got all kinds of camera systems on it. It's got front and rear cameras, surround view cameras. It's got rear fold-down seats, which you can tell because you've got the trigger here. The other interesting thing about this, it's got a spare tire in it, which really surprises me, but there you have it. Power trunk. So it's Alpine white, black leather. The seating package is a luxury seating package, so it's got, I'll show you that, you've got puddle lamps. I mean, it's just an absolutely gorgeous car. It's got adaptive cruise on it. It's got full LED, adaptive headlights, fog lights. So here's your surround view camera on a BMW, and then if you've got a plate underneath, your license plate, this is a little different than the previous generation, but still there. That's an indication you've got adaptive cruise, and then the line across the headlight now is a LED, fully adaptive LED. So heads-up display, you can tell by the hole in the dash here, and then you've got advanced camera systems up here, sensors. So here's the back seat. You can see the luxury seating package, so you have a pattern. It's upgraded leather. So climate, rear climate package, so you've got shades. It's got Bowers Wilkins sound, so that is the new sound system from BMW. It used to be B&O. So there's the M badging. See, it's really clean. You do have heated rear seats also. So soft close doors, if you're not familiar with them, you don't have to. You just close the door and it will finish closing on its own. So there you go. There's your trim. Again, Bowers Wilkins, power folding mirrors. This is an indication of a multi-contour seat on BMW, meaning you've got massage features. So sport seats, ventilated seats. This is an extendable brace here, so that'll pull out. You can inflate your bolsters. I mean, they're just, it's the settings on these are just the options are ridiculous. So anywhere you see a moon over a lane, that's night vision. There's a ton of other stuff on here. I'll go over it as I get in. So we do have two master keys. It's supposed to have remote control parking, and I have not gotten that key. So you can remotely control the parking feature with a different key. We're going to be getting that from BMW. So here's the build sheet. So the stuff that we're interested in. So Napa leather is an upgrade, executive package, driver's assistance package, driver's assistance plus, dynamic handling, luxury seating, parking assistance, which is the park where it parks itself, cold weather, and then Bowers Wilkins sound, night vision, remote control parking, gesture control, Apple CarPlay, and sunshades. 92,000 bucks. So there's your passenger side door, passenger side seat. I mean, it's all new. You would expect, you know, so that's me. You can program that. That's not it doesn't hurt, I guess. So push button start, of course. I'll roll that window up real quick. So black headliner also, that's nice. You know, I'm not going to be able to go through all the technology. I'm not that familiar with it yet, and there's an enormous amount of it. So I will show you the center console. So this So same as before, power source. So again, your iDrive. This is also a touch screen, which is nice. That's new. Auto hold will hold you on the hill while you take your foot off the brake and hit the accelerator. Your camera systems, your ability to turn your parking sensors off, your sport modes, traction control, delete. Dual auto climate control, heated and ventilated seats for both passenger and driver. This is your safety system, so it does have lane departure, collision warning, adaptive cruise, blind spot, all that stuff. This is how you configure it, is up here. So I'm just going to go through stuff real quick. So there's your navigation. It's got a really nice map system on it. If you go to media, so you've got all kinds of stuff. So satellite radio, music collection, you can stream Bluetooth, and you do just about anything you want. There's your Bluetooth stuff. So your settings in here. Bear with me as I struggle through this. So iDrive setting, contents of the menu, you can set a driver profile, vehicle status, so that's just going to tell you where your systems are. And then over here is your menu, and you just hit the iDrive system and then you scroll down through that. So you can check through for your services. Everything's current on this. It was just at Cooney, so it just got a clean bill of health. Technology, your driving information, it does have an owner's manual on the computer, which is new. They're doing that all over the place. So there's your settings. You can go in, steel vibration, speed warning, driver attention. It's got a setting for tire change. There's your parking. There's your driver experience. Seat comfort, which is your massaging seat. So you can go in and set up a bunch of different massaging systems. That's really nice. Climate functions, vehicle tracking. I mean, just a ton of stuff. So if you put this in reverse, what you're going to see here is those cameras, so you can switch your settings. So you can toggle and select, so that's going to show you, you'll see the camera change color. That's going to go to that side. I mean, it's crazy. And then these are how you're going to select on the camera. So again, you can, so that's a car wash mode there. And then that's your parking, the brightness. I mean, it's crazy, the systems on this car. So there's your parking assistance, car wash settings. I mean, so there's all your park distance. So there's your obstacle marking, parking lines. I mean, it's just the settings and the electronics on this car are crazy. So M Sport steering wheel. So this is a new location for the heated steering wheel. Multi-function steering wheel with voice activation, Bluetooth volume control in your modes, paddle shifter on the right for an upshift, paddle shifter on your left for a downshift. You do have adaptive cruise. This is all your adaptive cruise settings. Wipers, automatic wipers. Over here is automatic headlights, or high beams. Anywhere you see this on a BMW, you've got an automatic high beam, so your high beams will come on and turn off automatically. You have all kinds of performance settings on here also. There's your lighting systems. Power folding mirrors, and you can see the triangle in the, anywhere you have a triangle in a BMW window, that's the indication that you have blind spot. Trying to think, do you have home link? You should have home link up here. I don't see the home link. You have a very nice rear view mirror. I mean, I'm sure I've missed some stuff. There's just so many things. So if you go to sport mode on this, put this in drive, that should change your settings. So standard, you can set the settings individually or plus. I mean, it's just, the technology on this car is just crazy. And so we really like the dynamic handling package, night vision, and driver's assistance plus on this makes a big difference. With the optional equipment and safety stuff. So anyways, there's a lot of car to cover. If you have questions or would like more information, please feel free to contact us, and we can be reached at 503-227-2354, and we'd like to thank you for visiting West Coast Auto Enthusiast.